Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you choose Riise or Mascherano. Let's claim milestone rewards of Fire and Ice chapter in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game. Still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started by tap this heroes event. And you can jump into the Arctic Soldier, the last chapter of this heroes event, aka John Arne Riise. So all you have to do, just challenge yourself or practice yourself in this fire the shots daily challenge and also daily skill games. After you earn the Arctic Soldier token, you can open the heroes reward path of the on fire. Try to freeze the ball. Try to freeze all the balls, and after you freeze all the balls, this milestone reward can open. So in this milestone reward, you can choose one of the reward. John Arne Riise, the heroes player, the Arctic Soldier itself. Javier Mascherano, universal rank player. You can rank up your player that have a OVR between 90 and 99. And also the last one, untradeable player, mixed version player 90 until 97. If you're lucky, you can get one of these possible rewards. So in this case, I need left back to my team for my team. So I want to claim just John Arne Riise. Just tap free button, tap to open, and welcome the heroes player, the Arctic Soldier, aka John Arne Riise, left back from Norway. So please free to try challenge yourself in this Arctic Soldier chapter. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. Enjoy the game.